Hello everyone. I know I told you guys that I will be starting off with the counter system in this lecture, but there are a few things that needs to be done before I can actually make the counter system that is efficient without any bugs and works really well, like the Arkham games, right? So that's why, like in this lecture, we'll be converting some of the base blueprint classes to base C++ classes. Like we already have the FFCC in C++, but we need to actually change some functions from uh, base blueprints to base C++, like we did in the last lecture. And same thing with the enemy component as well. So we'll be covering that in this lecture. Okay. Now, I know that some of you are not comfortable with C++, since blueprints is obviously easier to learn and prototype in, but you need to understand, like, for things to be game ready and efficient, some things are not exactly possible in blueprints, okay? So it's better to do them in C++. And also, I'm not the kind of a guy who is like do everything in C++ and leave out blueprints, because who does blueprints? I'm not that kind of a guy. I prefer to actually like have best of both worlds, because it's easier to prototype in blueprints, right? So wherever necessary, I will be exposing things to blueprints so we can actually like use blueprints, okay? And again, if you have any issues, hop into my server and ping me in the help channel. I will be there to help you guys, okay? uh, so without any further delays, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is I will actually run this one. Now once the project is loaded, what I want to do is I want to go to the C++ classes. Okay, also if you don't see the C++ classes over here, go to tools, create a new C++ class. Works just fine. Okay, so what I'll do is I have the FFCC base. I'll also actually go ahead and make it the enemy component base. Okay, so I'll call this AC underscore enemy comp underscore base. Okay, create the class. Now while it's loading over there, what I'll do is I'll go to content, blueprints, component. Also, yeah, I'll make one for the director as well in some time. Enemy component, we already have the ACFFCC. I'll change the setters and getters. I'll move them. Set tag, get tag, I'll move those as well to C++. Then over here I want to move the get hit direction, set get enemy, and yeah, these three I'll start with. Yeah, so let's go ahead. Now once it's loaded, the enemy component, make sure you remove that folder reference. So in the FFCC, what did we want to change? You already have this as the C. Do we have this in? No, we have the ACFFCC. This one we have the hit direction as C++ function, right? So let's go ahead and set and get the current enemy first on the ACFFCC. So what I'll do is void set current enemy, and this one takes a actor pointer, and this is the enemy reference. Actually, no, it's not a constant. Okay, so yeah, there we go. And for the getter, I want this to be a blueprint pure function, and this one will be of a actor class. um, Get current enemy. Then we have the set tag. Set tag takes gameplay tag type. So again, void set tag, and this one is if gameplay, not task but tag. Also, yeah, in the build.cs, make sure you go ahead and add the dependency module. Okay, and this one will be gameplay tags. Okay, this would be in your build.cs. Okay, make sure you add that over there. And yeah, the last one does not have a comma. Also make sure you add a comma before the gameplay tags. Okay, so again, with gameplay tags, tag, and then again we'll add the if gameplay tag, and this one will be get tag, and also make sure you include this header file gameplay tag container.h. Okay, Rider had already added that by default. Okay, for me. Also this one, make sure this is a single word, there's no space. Okay, in C++ for the variable names. Okay, and then what else? Set tag, current tag. Yeah, I think that is done. Run. Okay, so over here I want to override set current enemy. Okay, and make sure you cut it from there and paste it over here. I can delete this, yes, and get, I can delete this one as well. I'll override the get current enemy. I'll delete that and pass it from here. And then I will do the set tag. And again, this one will go over here. And then we have the get tag. Wait, what's wrong? Okay, something's wrong. I'll have to check. Set tag, I will remove that and get current tag, I will delete. Oh, wait, set tag, yeah, that is fine. And get current tag, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, what's wrong with that? I'll close this if selected. If gameplay tag set tag is fine. What's wrong with this? Okay, so it's keeping on giving me this issue. So I'll just change this to a constant. But really bothering, really. And like I said, changing it to constant makes it a setter. I have no idea why that is with the Unreal Engine tag system, but it is what it is. Okay, so uh, yeah, there's our setter and there's our getter. Okay, and now we have some errors over here, so I'll set the tag. Make literal tag, and this one is it react. Also current enemy, and set tag, make literal gameplay tag, and this is idle. And yeah, everywhere just make sure that you fix these issues one by one. Now there will be more of these. The set is over here in the event graph now. Okay, just remember that. um Enemy reference, enemy reference, it's fine. um what else? Right, there will be issues. If you play now, you'll see all the errors. So open all error blueprints, and there we have it. We need to fix all of these. By the way, what I was using over there is control and left mouse button to uh, drag it from the old connection. Okay, handy tool. Okay, so set tag, yeah, like control and left mouse, then you can actually like just select it from there and redirect it. Make literal tag. Now this is combat or combat, yeah, okay, yeah, it's combat. This one is progress. Get current enemy. I'll actually have this over here as the target. Okay, just remember that we are using it over here, so get current enemy and have that plugged in. Find references by name. Also over here you need the current enemy. Okay, and over here you need the set tag, and make literal gameplay tag, and this is idle. And also this is the offset. This was for Patreon, so YouTubers might not have this one, so you should have only this one on the above part. Okay, so yeah. What's wrong? All right. So from here, set current enemy. Control and left mouse. Okay. Hold. And then we have set tag. Make literal. This one would be teleport. Then we have get tag. I'll get tag. Current enemy. Again, this, I don't know if this is a Patreon only, probably it is, so you might not have it as well. So whatever you have, just fix those issues. These, leave them. If you don't have them, it's fine. So now if I'm to play, I still have one other issues over here. Get tag. Okay, let's play. Let's see. We should not have any issues over here. Attacks me. Okay, that is good. Yeah, works pretty good. I don't think there's any issues. So that's fine. Now we did not make any on the enemy component. Also in the class settings, right? Close this. The enemy base component over here, we need to add the blueprint table, so we can actually assign it to the enemy component blueprint, right? Okay, so yeah, once that is done, now I can go back. I'll close the other ones, run this one, and hit. Okay, in the class settings, I will change this to enemy component base, and that's perfect. So over here we need to do the set attack player, get attack player, and get hit direction, right? So get hit direction, we already had one over here in the FFCC, so we'll go ahead and paste this. We don't need these over here, and also, yeah, right, add the include over here. Okay, for the the attack hit direction, the FCS data.h. Okay, so this one would be void set attack player, and this is a boolean. And then we have view function. Sorry. Now this should be blueprint here, and this one will be bool get back layer, and that's done. Get attack player. Get a direction. That is fine. Once that is done, I have to run it from here. Okay, so yeah, I forgot that in the CPP we still have this begin plan tick, so I'll delete those. Okay, and run again. If you are in Visual Studios, make sure to debug this. Control F5 or F5. Okay, now once it's loaded, we can override the set attack enemy again. They show with the set attack enemy. I'll just pass it by value. Okay, now let's check again. Set attack. Okay, there we go. Set attack player. Need to take these, put it over here. What's wrong with the AI state? Okay, it was a local variable. So yeah, there we go. And delete that. Get attack player, delete it. Override get attack player. And then we have the get hit direction, so we will override the hit direction. So forward, right, backward, left. Forward, right, backward, left. So delete that. Now play again and all the errored ones. Get attack player. And AI director. Get attack player. You can control left mouse. Set attack player. Make sure that is checked. Okay, play and make sure everything is working. Hash, and it says set attack player in fail to find function. Send and close, run. Let's see. So probably there's still a function over there that we did not check was there. So let's go ahead and check it. Yeah, there we go. See, we had errors. Set attack player. Now this one is false. Again, this one is false. Set attack player. This one is false as well. Get hit direction. Sorry, no, it's just called hit direction. Instigator. Anything else? I don't think so. Okay. Now let's see. It comes to me. Attacks. Okay, perfect. Don't see any issue. Seems perfect. Okay. That was all for this lecture. Like now we have the enemy component in the C++ as well. Okay. So in the next lecture, we will add in some base for the counter. Okay. So thank you guys. And as always, if you want to support me and the work that I'm doing, you can subscribe to my Patreon. It starts from just $1 a month. Okay. And also there are different tiers based on the needs of different people. Okay. So do check it out once. Thank you.